Assalamualaikum, I'm Usman Ghani. And here's what I'm showing. It's this high snowstormers. Its name is Mornis Mini. So see, this is the one. It kind of looks so good. I like it. See, the white lights and it's H snows. Look at this sign. Look at everything. I like this. Do you want to read this? It says, build your Hot Wheels collection by visiting www.hotwheels.com. Enter the code to showcase your cars. Let's open this car. Let's open it. Yeah. And here is the car seat. It's even reading it. It's even original. See, look at these designs, and look at these yellow, white tigers and black rims in it. Wow, look at this. Not that much detail, but I like it. See the exhaust? Can you see it, everyone? See? That's the exhaust. And the car. Look at it. Even can see the interior, but not the steering even. But look at, do you like it? The pink, I like it. It's sparkling. See this hood scoop? Look at that. Like to share and subscribe to the channel. Bye bye.